So I'm at the Volkswagen press meet here in Goa. I had showcased you in another video. That is the Polo Matte Edition. Uska proper walk around review is live on my channel. We also have other cars over here. This of course is the T-Roc. That is the Allspace. These are the MI 2021 models for 2021. So updated models हैं क्या? कब आने वाले हैं? Bookings कब हैं? What are the changes? Well, I'll start with my walk around review of this one first. This is the T-Roc. So let's go to the T-Roc. So first thing first, this is called the 2021 T-Roc, but this is identical to the one that is being sold in India or has been sold out. Have heard that bookings are still in the waiting phase. There are over 500 to 600 pending bookings, as in pending deliveries for the T-Roc from Volkswagen side. At this press meet, we have both the T-Roc and the 2021 Allspace, but they are identical. So the ones you see or you've seen in the showrooms or you see on the roads or you see in the promotions by Volkswagen on TV or your social media handles, it is exactly the same T-Roc. There are no changes for the new year. There might be some changes in terms of the pricing, which is understandable because these are CBU units. They are imported into India as a CBU or a completely built unit. So because of the fluctuating currencies, prices sometimes go up and down. So the first batch of 2021 models is currently on its way to India. How many units we are not told, but Volkswagen will possibly get in approximately 800 to 1000 units of the T-Roc for this year. Unofficial dealer bookings are definitely open, which is the case with any car in India, any new or in-demand car in India. But Volkswagen tells us that officially they will start accepting bookings for the T-Roc from the first week of April. But as I told you, they have approximately 600 pending bookings. That is a big number. They are brought into India as limited numbers. So if you're in the market for something different, which is a good package for performance, for dynamics, for the safety part and the design part, this one definitely makes a good statement. It might not be as spacious or might not have a diesel as some of the rivals, doesn't get the 4Motion technology as well, but for a unique set of buyers, this is there. But remember, 600 units की pending deliveries हैं and around 1000 will come to India. So this will again get sold out very soon. So like the exteriors, you also have the identical interiors for 2021. Officially for the business language or the way you project to a customer, आप बोलते हैं 2021 model है, but it is same as the last year's model. You do have overly black interiors over here. These are leather seats, again a mix of your darker shade and the lighter shade coming in over here. One model only, it's fully loaded. It's got a 1.5 turbocharged TSI motor. It's made it to a DSG gearbox as usual. And unlike the Allspace standing over there, or the Allspace standing over there, this one is not 4x4, no 4Motion, so it's front wheel drive. However, it's got ample amount of torque and torque coming in. I'll showcase you the interiors from the rear as well. Yeah, this is how the interiors look like. Typical German interiors, not too flashy, but they do the job very well for your look and finish, for your quality of materials, for the safety part. However, at the back, I don't like this particular thing. The hump is very high, the transmission tunnel is very high, so it intrudes into the privacy of the fifth passenger. Also, at places, the quality of plastics materials could have definitely been better, but no complaints because on the road, on the move, this thing looks very good. There are a few flashy colors as well. It's got a big roof. It's not a panoramic roof, but it's big nevertheless. Yeah, it's big nevertheless, not a panoramic roof. A flat bottom steering, and if you can make out, this whole part is tilted towards the driver. You can see it's coming out, so it's tilted towards the driver. Just makes everyday driving, the ergonomics very good. Your aircon controls, your screen, electronic park brake. Yeah, so not too flashy, but typical European German design language. The alloy wheels, these ones, they have Michelin tires over here. This is the official promotional color in India for the T-Roc. That is for the Allspace, the 7-seater Tiguan. But yeah, as a summary, The new batch is on the way to India, but a lot of bookings are still pending. If you are in the market with so much money, it's definitely on the higher side. It's not value for money, but no one buys a Volkswagen for value for money. You buy a Volkswagen for your driving pleasure, for your dynamics, for your safety part. More videos from the event, they will be coming up on the channel, and as I keep on saying, guys, I need your support. Your 10 seconds can make a big difference to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Of course, hit the bell icon as well. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.